Okay, let's start then. I've removed the Dapol board, just 4 wires to unsolder. There's the DC adapter there. You may need that, well you will need that if you're going to fit a DelTang receiver, because if you're not going to use a decoder, then you need to pass the DelTang's motor output through to the motor via the socket, the DCC socket that is. So here's the replacement board. The pads are almost in the same sort of place, 2 here, 2 there. So I'm going to fix that board in and get those soldered on. But first I'll prepare the pads by tinning them with solder first. Now, where did I put the screws? Right, let's solder those wires on now. Oh, hang on. On there, please. And then move the wire. Okay. Now I probably should have plugged these in before I screwed the board on, but I'll have a go at getting them in. Now the one this end, I think I'm going to leave until I put all the gubbins in here. Let's have a look to see how it all fits in. Got a mega bass speaker down the front. There's the socket for that. And then I've got the 2 cells. I'm going to go up there. Then one in front. Right, the receiver I'm fitting is a ProMiniAir, which is like the Tam Valley compatible one. It's in two halves. There's the receiver here, and then there's the motor amplifier on the other side. And the idea is it will plug in there. I have that on the side there, and then this on that side. That's the general idea of that. That's for that receiver. The WifiTrax is another good fit for this loco. Not got a 1 amp WifiTrax spare at the moment, but it's only very slightly bigger than the 21 pin decoder. What also will fit is here's the Fosworks, same plug. What happens is the receiver end goes down there. You need the bendy type. The receiver end goes down there. Oh, I think it does. Oh yeah, it's not got. There we go. And then the amplifier side sits on here. And then with maybe a shorter cable plugs in there. So Fosworks is a goer for the 08. But like I say, I'm going to put, got this ProMiniAir which I prepared earlier. That's going to go in here. So I think I'm probably going to get it just sort of stuck to the sides there. Before I try and plug it in, I'm probably going to just get it physically in the loco and then plug it in. I love getting this stuff off. See if we can get this plug in now. Okay, I think we're ready to switch it on now and see what blows up or not, as the case may be. The top switch for me, but this one, the one this side is the on-off, and the other one selects between track or battery. When the button is up, it's battery. Let's turn it on, have a look. Okay, now we should see, you might be able to see the cab lights on there to show we've got power. That's good. I'm going to turn that off again. Then I'm going to turn my transmitter on and see if it connects up. Hopefully it's still on address 3. So the transmitter's on. Let's turn the receiver on. First of all, just to see if we can move first of all. Oh, we can, that's all. Always encouraging. What about brake sound? Lovely. Let's turn the main sound on. Oh, that's not the main sound. Must be on this one. There we go. Okay, we're working. Right, so there we are. So if you take away the time I spent looking for tools and looking for the screws to hold the board in, it's about a 10 to 15 minute job really, as long as you've got the bits all ready to go. So I'm probably gonna sell a kit for this, and I'll provide everything but the decoder, and I can provide some receivers, but I will provide a cable to connect to your chosen receiver. Even the chunkiest receiver that we use, the Fosworks, will go in here. The receiver just has to have this standard 4-pin JST on it to plug into the replacement board there. So contact me if you'd like to know about this kit. I'm going to get a couple ready.